guys, I'm Shakshotodor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in my first YouTube channel, I have talked about the HTML codes that I've made for my card seller website. This one. So today I'm going to talk about the PHP files or PHP codes that I've made, and I have already connected it with my HTML codes. Let's say this one is card seller registration HTML. So I've already made the register, login, add card, and search PHP files, and I've connected it with the HTMLs. And here you can see like this one is register.php, and I had to connect it with the registration HTML. So how did I did this one? You can see there is some action method, and I have already connected it with the register PHP, so it's gonna work now. And if I click it here, you can see I have already wrote the codes and the PHP, and I have already created the connection and also checked the connection as well. And here you can see the test, echo test, and the echo. So if I registered it successfully, it's gonna show you the seller ID has been successfully registered. Otherwise it's there will be some error. So when it already successfully registered, then you can log in. You can log in here if you put the proper username or proper password, the same password or same username, by that time you can log in, and then it will take you to the add card HTML. By then you can add your card, otherwise it's gonna say user not found, want to give another shot. So you have to put the same username and the same password, otherwise it's not gonna you can't add your card in the website. So if I take you to the add card PHP, you can see I've already created this in every PHP code. The create connection, check connection, it's almost similar. There will be some make, model, year, mileage. So all of the table, so all of the information that is already in my website, so I had to put it here to make my code correct. And here I have already created two table. See this one in the SQL, in for a car and for the seller. Seller is in the register and the car will be in the add car. So it will take you here the add car, and then by that time you can add your car. So when you will add your car, it's gonna say great news, or it's gonna show you this message. Otherwise it's not gonna work, it's gonna weird, there will be some error. And by when you already when your car is already in the website, then you can search it easily with the location and with the model. So I'll take you to my website and let me explain how does it work. So here is it. I've already connected it with my local host, and here you can see the my website. It's similar, it's same. And then if I click on the registration button, then it will take you here. See, like when you will fill it up with the proper things. Let's say my username is SD, and the password you have to there will be some note for the password, otherwise you can't make any password. There must be some characters in your password, this one. So let's say P at the rate double dollar sign and W0RD. So that's the password, and I'll register it. See, it said the seller ID has been successfully registered, so that means it works. So now you can log in because you have an account in my website. So see, there's some username, my username is ST, the password is same, P at the rate double dollar W0RD. So when you log in, see, it will take you to the add card. Now you can add your card, and then you can search your card too. Let's say it's so if you don't put your password properly, let's say this one, if I read something like that, it's gonna say invalid password. See, so when you put the same password, the proper one, the correct one, and password, it's gonna take you here, and then you can add your card. So let's say this one is Ford and Mustang, the year is 2020, mileage is 500 to 5000, the location is Sydney, and the price is, let's say, 10,000. So now you can add your card by clicking here. See, it says great news, your car is now in the system. So now you can search your car. If I click it here, you can search your car, Mustang, and the location was Sydney, right? So now if I search it here, see, it works. Ford Mustang 2020 5000, that's it. But if you don't put the proper information, let's say if I put it here like if I say Perth and search it, we didn't find any result. So you have to put the proper information or data. So where the data goes, it's here. See, in my car sale SQL, I've already created two table, cars and sellers. So if I click it here, the cars, there will be the cars information, the ID, the Ford, see, all of the things, it's already here. It's gonna show you. You can search it with the name, model name, and the location, then you will find all of the information, and all of the information has been stored in my SQL. And then in the sellers, like I have my name, my unit address, everything, but the password, it's not going to show you all the password because it's in the hash method. So that's how does it work. So I think you have liked my presentation and you've liked my video, so please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you guys, that's all from me.